Hi guys, welcome back. Sorry we've been away for so long. We've been back in the offices working some other projects. But now we're through those, we're going to go ahead and get started on getting back here in the shop and making some more videos. That's going to start by reassembling our 1800cc long block. We've got all of our engine tin back from the paint shop. Now that we've got our color picked out and we like it, we're going to get started on the car as well. We're also going to be disassembling our 1971 Eurolook Super Beetle so that we can get it over to the paint shop. And hopefully by the end of the year, we'll have this thing painted and ready to be assembled. We'll also be installing aftermarket engine tin and showing how to get it fit properly, as well as an aftermarket wiring harness that comes with an up-to-date modern fuse box. Keep an eye out for those videos in the year to come.